Introduction to the features of KCO 3.2 mm rod screw system. Feature 1. The KCO polyaxial pedicle screw features a unique unidirectional oblique notch design, with black alignment markers on both sides, at the top of the screw tulip. Before installation, ensure that these markers are oriented toward the cranial side. The screw allows for a pivot range of up to 45 degrees in any direction, except along the direction indicated by the black markers, where the range extends up to 55 degrees. Feature 2. The set screw features a trapezoidal thread design, specifically engineered to prevent the loosening of the connecting rod. Its Torx head ensures a secure fit. Feature 3. The EF crosslink is designed for ease of operation, helping to reduce surgery time. The connection mechanism of the crosslink. Feature 4. The occipital connecting rod is pre-bent to a 130-degree occipital cervical angle, providing an optimized fit. It is also reinforced at the occipital cervical region for enhanced stability and strength. Feature 5. The KCO 3.2 mm rod screw system provides two fixation modes. KCO 3.2 mm rod screw system installation procedure demo. Step 1. Positioning and surgical incision. Position the patient in a prone position, with the head slightly flexed, on a U-shaped support. If needed, a cranial traction device may be used to achieve optimal positioning. Make a posterior midline incision, with the location and length tailored to the specific lesion segment being addressed. Step 2. Determine the entry point. For C4 to C6, the entry point is located at the midpoint of the lateral mass, approximately 1 to 2 mm cranially and medially. The trajectory should be angled 45 degrees cranially, or parallel to the facet joints, in the sagittal plane, with a 25-degree lateral inclination in the horizontal plane. Step 3. Create the implantation hole. Use an awl to penetrate the cortical bone at the determined entry point while carefully maintaining the desired angles. Set the calibrated guide to 10 mm. Insert the 2.4 mm quick coupling drill bit into the calibrated guide and begin drilling at the entry point. Gradually increase the drill depth in 2 mm increments until the intended depth is reached. Once drilling is complete, switch to a straight probe to assess the implantation hole. Use a marker pin inserter to place marker pins into the drilled holes. Establish the remaining 5 implantation holes, following the same procedure, inserting marker pins into each one. Verify the accuracy and positioning of the implantation holes using fluoroscopy. Step 4. Insert the polyaxial pedicle screws. Remove the marker pins, using the marker pin inserter. Insert a probe into each hole to measure the required screw length. Attach the HB 3.5 tap to the quick coupling handle, and insert the tap sleeve along the entry point for clockwise reaming. Once reaming is complete, remove both the HB 3.5 tap and the sleeve. Select the appropriately sized pedicle screw and attach it to the screwdriver. Carefully insert the screw into the prepared hole. Repeat the process to implant the remaining screws, using the same method. Finally, confirm the correct positioning and placement of all screws using fluoroscopy. Step 5. Insert the KCO connecting rod. Use the screw head adjuster to align the screw heads according to their optimal positions. Use a template rod to determine the required curvature and length for the connecting rod. Cut the rod to the appropriate length using a rod cutter, ensuring alignment with the cutting guide line. After cutting, use rod benders to match the rod's curvature to that of the template. Secure the shaped rod into the slots of the pedicle screws using a rod holder. Step 6. Install the set screws. Use the screw head adjuster to fully compress the rod into the slots of the pedicle screws. Attach the set screws using the T2.9 set screw holder and proceed to tighten the screws. Alternatively, you can use the reduction gun for temporary fixation before tightening the set screws. Install the remaining set screws in the same manner. Once all set screws are in place, add the anti-rotation sleeve. Assemble the T2.9 quick coupling wrench with its handle, then insert it into the central hole of the anti-rotation sleeves to tighten the set screws securely. Repeat the same steps to complete the installation on the opposite side. Step 7. Install the EF 3.2 crosslink. Connect the T2.9 quick coupling set screw wrench with the handle. Loosen the set screws on the EF 3.2 crosslink clamps. Align the U-shaped slots of the clamps with the connecting rods. Use the wrench to tighten the set screws, securing the crosslink in place. Once the crosslink is installed, proceed with any necessary distraction or compression operations. Distraction operation demo. Place the anti-rotation sleeve. Insert the T2.9 quick coupling wrench into the central hole of the anti-rotation sleeve. Tighten the set screw on one end, leaving the set screw on the opposite end loose. Insert the distractor and apply gradual pressure. Once the desired distraction is achieved, tighten the previously loose set screws. Complete the distraction procedure on the opposite side, using the same method. Compression operation demo. Insert the T2.9 quick coupling wrench into the central hole of the anti-rotation sleeve. Tighten the set screw on one end, leaving the set screw on the opposite end loose. Insert the compressor and apply gradual pressure. Once the desired compression is achieved, tighten the previously loose set screws. Complete the compression procedure on the opposite side, using the same method. KCO 3.2 mm rod screw system, removal procedure demo. Use the T2.9 quick coupling set screw wrench to loosen the set screws on the EF 3.2 crosslink. Use the wrench and the anti-rotation sleeve to loosen the set screws. Remove the connecting rods using a rod holder. Attach the pedicle screwdriver to each pedicle screw. Twist Twist the screwdriver clockwise to couple with the screw, then twist counterclockwise to remove the screw. Repeat the process to remove the remaining screws.